Well, well, guys, it's the 2 nights before the big snow. We're expecting 10 to 12 inches. You can see this is the parking lot of the grocery store. And honey, it's full. They are running up in here like they got something on sale. Of course, nobody wants to get caught in a snowstorm with nothing to eat. And so that's what's going on here. These are big trunks open. Big truck just pulled in. My husband went in the store because he forgot something. So I'm sitting out here in the car in the warm because it is cold out here. And normally I have him cut the car off so I don't get hijacked. But today I told him leave that car running. Here goes somebody else. I told him keep that car running because I am cold and I do not want to be cold. Yep, so I'm just sitting out here watching the activity as the cars roll in. Going in here to get their favorites, I'm sure. Bread, milk, eggs, a sweet snack. That's what we kind of got earlier. My husband got dessert. He said, babe, I picked up extra eggs and dessert, and we got plenty of stuff at home to eat, so that's not a concern. But we did use our last trash bag, so that's why he came back to the store. We got another one rolling in. Yep. Got another one rolling in right next to us. You can see this parking lot is packed. It is packed. Yeah. And we're not supposed to get the snow until early Saturday morning, I believe. Excuse me. So I just hope that the people who make the streets safe start in plenty of time so that people will be able to travel. If the weather is bad, I am not traveling anywhere. I will be at home. Because with my new condition, with my legs, the last thing I need to do is fall. I can't even get boots on. I couldn't even prepare my legs to come out in the cold. So, yeah, not the cold, but the snow, really. All right, guys, I just wanted to let y'all be nosy with me. Here come another one rolling in. All righty. I'll see you in the next video. Y'all be safe. Look at them. They just rolling on in. Got to get those groceries. Ooh, here come another. Oh, he taking his boogie back. He's a good guy. All right, look at there. Here come another one. Are you going to pull in front of me? I think so. All righty. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.